Okay, so problem 4b. So, again, set up your 4 steps. Step 1 is the variation rule. So, z varies directly with the square of x and inversely with y. Okay, so again, you see the word varies. So, immediately write down equals k. So, what equals k? Z equals k. Varies directly with the square of x. So what does that mean? Square of x. So I'm going to square that x. And then it says inversely. So I see the word inversely. What follows after that? A y. So what am I going to be dividing by? Divide by y. So now I have my variation rule. Z equals kx squared over y. So now I need to find k. So the only way I'm going to find k is I have to replace z, y, and x with what I know. So I'm going to go back up to the top. X is 2, y is 4, and z is 3. So I'm going to set it up. 3 is equal to k times 2 squared divided by 4. So first thing I want to do, get rid of division using multiplication. So multiply these two. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is equal to k times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So 12 is equal to 4k. And hey, divide by 4. So now I know k has a value of 3. So the next step, your function rule. And guys, don't skip step 3. If you do that, it's going to mess you up. So my final function rule, z equals 3x squared divided by y. So 3 is the constant. X, y, and z are your changing variables. So now don't forget about what you're trying to answer all together. So the directions say to find z when x is 2 and y is 6. So my variables have changed. So I'm going to plug in. Z is what I'm looking for. 3 times 2 squared divided by 6. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So z has a value of 2. Okay? So 4 steps involved. And on the quick check that I'm going to give you or the follow-up assignment, guys, I'm going to be asking for these 4 steps. I'm probably going to be doing this in a Google Doc. I'll give you a paper version. I'll set it up as a PDF. But then also I'm going to have you type in some of these steps to make sure you're doing exactly what I ask you to do. Okay, one more problem. Problem number 5. So for this one, again, set it up your 4 steps. And it says the pair of values is for a direct variation. So it's telling me it's direct. So I'm going to use y equals kx. And I'm having to find the missing value. Well, before I can find what y is, I have to find k. So step 2, find k. Well, I have to use the one that I know about. You see, I know when x is -3, y is 6, so I'm going to sub that in. And divide both sides by -3. So k is equal to -2. So now I know what k is, my function rule. Y is equal to -2x. Again, you can graph it, pull up your table of values. And when I pull up my table of values, I'm going to find out, oh, hey, when x is 2, y is -4. So my missing value for my y is -4. Okay, so I'm going to attach a practice. I'll give you the paper version and I'll attach it as a PDF. And then I'm probably going to have you guys submit your answers using a Google Doc. All right, I'm available daily if you need me. Hope things are going well.